What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily check the amount of VRAM in your graphics card. This is important especially for gamers and content creators, since the amount of VRAM on your graphics card makes a huge difference in your experience. Alright, let's check out the first method to see how much VRAM you have using Windows settings. Open the Windows settings by clicking the gear icon and go into your system settings. Then click on the display option under the system tab. From here, go into the advanced display section under related settings. This will open up your display adapter properties. Finally, click on display adapter properties for your main display, which is usually display 1. Once that window opens up, scroll down until you see the section labeled video memory. Here, it will show you the amount of video memory, or VRAM, that your graphics card has installed. Take note of the number displayed. Next up is using the DirectX diagnostic tool to check your VRAM, which provides a bit more detail than the Windows settings method. To open the DirectX diagnostic tool, press the Windows key and R at the same time to bring up the Run dialog box. Then type in dxdiag and hit Enter. This will launch the tool. Once it opens, go to the Display tab. Here you'll find your graphics card name and manufacturer listed at the top. Scroll down and you'll see a section for video memory. It will display the amount of video memory, or VRAM, installed on your graphics card. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below.